Here is the first part of the mixtures lab. So the mixtures notes are on one side, and then the mixtures lab is on the other. So my first one is I have alum and water. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here. About halfway full it says. And then we're gonna identify if it mixes up so that we can see what is it evenly or unevenly mixed? Give it just a second. All right, so on this one, our first table there, hopefully you can answer, is it evenly or unevenly mixed? Right there, right? And then whether or not it's homogeneous or heterogeneous, whether or not it settles out. And you can see it's pretty see-through at this point. So I think it's clear. The rest of this will dissolve in a moment. So because we can see through it, it does not scatter light. And our type of mixture right here, hopefully you can see, right, is a solution. So there's alum and water. All right, non-dairy creamer and water. I'm gonna rinse my stir stick. All right, non-dairy creamer and water. I'm gonna put a little more water in here. Right. Okay. Goodness me. All right. Okay, so there's our non-dairy creamer and water. I'd still consider this evenly mixed, right? You can't see a whole lot of differences in there. So if it's evenly mixed, we would consider it homogeneous. It is not settling out. It is cloudy. It scatters light. So because if I were to hold this up to the light, I can't see through it. So I would consider this something that scatters light. And then this is a homogeneous solution, a mixture there. All right, and here's our last example of pepper and water. All right. Stir this up. All right, so, man, that sure seems unevenly mixed, right? And if it's unevenly mixed, we know that it is heterogeneous. I'm also noticing, if you notice right there, right, it's kind of settling out. So I certainly think that this one settles out. It's a little bit of both clear and cloudy, so certainly you can just record your data there. It scatters light because you cannot see directly through it. This is definitely a heterogeneous mixture. All right, so there's your first part of your lab. After this video, you should have this data table filled out. The next video is going to be doing these steps down here. All right, on to the next video.